Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to see the different types of breathing systems we have. In the previous lecture, we have talked about this picture whole, each and every part of the anesthetic machine, its components and their functions. And we have seen that the portion that is highlighted yellow, basically this is the breathing circuit. So now we are going to see the types of breathing circuits we have. Uh, First thing is the purpose of this breathing system is to deliver the oxygen to patient, deliver anesthetic gas to the patient, remove carbon dioxide from inhaled breaths, and provide a means of controlled ventilation. So basically, the purpose is to deliver the gases. There are main two types of breathing systems. The number one is rebreathing circuit, that is also called as a closed circuit, in which the patient will exhale in the same system and then inhale the same gases. But there is the second division is Bain system, that is called as non-rebreathing system. In this system, the animal will inhale the gas but exhale but during expiration the gas it will exhale will not be later on inhaled. So this is non-rebreathing circuit, and in non-rebreathing circuits we have two further types: partial rebreathing or semi-closed, and number two is complete non-rebreathing circuit, that is minimal rebreathing circuit. So let's see one by one each. First thing is about closed circuit or rebreathing circuit. Basically, the image you are seeing over here is of closed or rebreathing circuit. It is the circuit, a circle system that uses flow rates equal to or near to the metabolic oxygen consumption of the patients, that is between 3 to 14 ml per kg per minute. So it basically operates at 3 to 14 ml per kg per minute, and it has lowest flow rate. And rebreathing of the exhaled gases occur with modification that carbon dioxide canister absorbs the carbon dioxide. So what they are saying is that this is a sort of a or kind of a circuit in which the patient will inhale the gas, then exhale into the same circuit, but before inhaling the same exhaled gas, the carbon dioxide from the exhaled gas will be absorbed in this canister. So the main difference between rebreathing and non-rebreathing system remains of this absorbent canister, that in rebreathing circuit you are going to have this carbon dioxide absorbent canister. So one more thing that you see, I have written 3 to 14 ml per kg per minute is the flow rate of the closed or rebreathing circuit. But you can find these values to be different in different books. Like I have taken this value from the book Veterinary Anesthesia by Lemon Jones. So in some other book you might see it as 5 to 10 ml. Some books might have written it as 5 to 15 ml per kg. So there will be a minute difference in the range, but you should remember it is a lowest flow, and between you can say 5 to 10, you can say, or 3 to 14 whatsoever. But it is the rebreathing circuit is having lowest flow rate. Next we have is partial rebreathing circuit. Partial rebreathing circuit is basically the subtype of Bain system. Um, it is a circle system using flow rates greater than metabolic oxygen consumption, equaling 20 ml per kg per minute, but less than required to prevent rebreathing. Since it has a very large range, so it is often divided into low flow rate 20 to 50 ml per kg per minute, mid flow 50 to 100 ml per kg per minute, and high flow 100 to 200 ml per kg per minute. Basically, these are the rates at which the gas will flow in these systems. Then we have complete non-rebreathing circuit, in which there is no mixing of inhaled and exhaled gases. It has highest flow rate, and the circle system using flow rate greater than 200 ml per kg per minute, and in some books you might see it as greater than 300 ml per kg per minute. Flow rate, and this is a flow rate that would normally we not be used in most circumstances, so it is very least used, breathing circuit. Since unusually high flow rate may result when circle system are used for maintenance of anesthesia in very small patient, less than 5 kg with flow rate of 1000 ml per minute or greater. So basically this is very uncommonly used circuit, and we only use it in patients that are less than 5 kg. And since these both are the part of or subtypes of Bain system, so in a non-rebreathing system, or you can say Bain system, exhaled gases pass through another hose and may enter a reservoir bag but do not enter a carbon dioxide canister. The gas is then released into scavenge, because like now you can see from this line that the difference between rebreathing and non-rebreathing circuit is of carbon dioxide canister, because in the previous rebreathing circuit, the patient is going to re-inhale the exhaled gas, so there is a carbon dioxide canister to remove the carbon dioxide from the exhaled gas. But in this case of non-rebreathing circuit, because animal is not going to inhale the exhaled gas, so the exhaled gas moves into different pipe, inhaled gas comes from a different pipe, and there is no need of a carbon dioxide absorber. So you can see this diagram. This is a non-rebreathing circuit. That fresh gas will come from here into the patient, and when patient will exhale, the gas will some of the gas will of course come here too, but mainly gas will come from here into, either it will go to reservoir bag or it will move just out of the breathing circuit. So but you can see over here there is no carbon dioxide canister in its diagram. So just remember, there is no carbon dioxide canister in the Bain system, because animal is not going to inhale the exhaled gas. That is why there is no need. And also you should remember, Bain system is called as a system tube within a tube, because you can see this tube is within another tube, so tube within a tube. Normally if you see the real image of Bain system tubes, the tube that is of this fresh gas inlet is normally in bluish color, and the outer tube, this corrugated outer tube, is normally transparent in color. And this is the image of rebreathing system, and you can see here we have is carbon dioxide canister present in it, because when the patient will exhale, let me use some other color. uh, after inhaling the gas, when patient will exhale, the carbon dioxide will move from here, it will go into this carbon dioxide canister, all the carbon dioxide will get absorbed, and from here the gas will move in this pipe, and also the fresh oxygen gas will also come from here, and this gas will go from here again into the patient's lung. So since the patient here, there is a route in which the exhaled gas is also being inhaled, so that is why we have a carbon dioxide absorber, carbon dioxide absorber canister in rebreathing circuit. So that was a simplest forms, or very easily made or easily understood classification or types of the bridging circuits. I hope you have understood this. That was all about this lecture. Thank you so much.